Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are very pleased to be able to help the entire community with their online businesses, bringing you the most relevant information about digital marketing, e-commerce, dropshipping, and online businesses. We kindly invite you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. On this occasion, we have for you this excellent information. 5 steps to start affiliate marketing 2023. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. We assure you that the following information will be very useful if you are in the world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online venture. Here we go. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money online, even if you don't have a blog or website. After a few simple steps, you can start working and immediately earn the first commissions. Affiliate marketing is truly one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online and should be a part of every internet business owner's portfolio. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the #1 web platform for freelancers in the world. Here, just by putting in the search box, you will have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing, and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Do you need any service related to artificial intelligence, such as GPT chat for customer service or content creation based on artificial intelligence? Go to Fiverr. From $5 and up, you can find someone to help you with that. We mean it when we say that it is one of the best tools you will ever have. In the description of this video, you will find the link to access Fiverr. Now let's continue. The key to affiliate marketing remains relatively constant, regardless of your market or niche. Your main task will always be to generate traffic, that is, attract potential customers to the company's site using your unique affiliate link. You can start by finding ways to attract free traffic and then add paid advertising methods to your own traffic. Let's move on to share the 5 steps to get started in affiliate marketing. Step number 1, choose the most appropriate affiliate network. Most suitable affiliate network. The combination must be the right one between you and the seller. The easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to choose a partner network. There are many affiliate networks, some of which are tied to well-known companies like Amazon, Google, and Apple, while others specialize in specific types of products and services. ClickBank is one of the oldest and most popular affiliate networks. It is a multi-billion-dollar company, specializing in digital products like ebooks and software, and paid subscription sites. Commissions can vary between 10% and 75%. Sometimes sole proprietors with great products are worth mentioning, though they should be verified and researched first. Sometimes companies can launch their own affiliate program, and you can contact them directly to promote their products and services. For example, Amazon is always an option because they can have you as a partner for almost any type of physical product. Step number 2, investigate and select the most appropriate associated product. A solid product strategy is a must for new affiliate marketers. Ideally, you should choose a niche where you can make money online and have many different distributors. This will give you a wide variety of products for your online community. However, limit yourself to 2 or 3 products at a time to become an expert that others trust when they take out their portfolio. Once familiar with affiliate marketing programs and processes, both niches and popular niches can be considered. Don't forget to track your own marketing performance, which is usually provided by your sales network and/or affiliates. Also, you need to determine which campaigns are profitable and which are losing money. Step number 3, buy the product before the launch of the promotion. As a new affiliate marketer, you don't have to buy every product before the promotion. However, it goes without saying that actually using the products establishes a high level of confidence. In case you use the product and get some experience and results from it, sharing your personal experience or studying this product will greatly increase its effectiveness. Step number 4, use social networks to generate traffic. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube are great places for word of mouth or viral marketing. Video marketing, in particular, is a great way to showcase your expertise with comments, screenshots, and live demos. Although you may initially focus on using social media as free traffic, keep in mind that there are powerful ways to use paid social media advertising to drive traffic to your website or affiliate offers. Social networks to generate traffic. Step number 5, redirection and connection links. Disguising or using anchor links was a controversial topic in internet marketing circles. Some accept them, others think they are not necessary. Regardless of the comments, it is suggested to make short links to disguise the sale. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that if you need help with your landing page for your affiliate marketing business, sales funnel setup, video marketing service for your advertising campaigns, or any matter or task related to your affiliate marketing business, on Fiverr, the world's #1 freelancer web platform, you can find the help you need in the service your business requires. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye.